Want to put two or more photos together on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I will show you the easiest ways to combine pictures using built-in tricks, the Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. Now launch it. Click on the plus option given at the top right. Now click on the option New Shortcut and rename it. Here I'm gonna give it as combination. Now click on the search action option and here type in select photos. Click on that. Now click on this arrow and enable for the option select multiple. Now again search for another action, that is combine images. After it appears, click on it. Now click on this arrow for horizontally. Now select whether you want to combine your photos horizontally, vertically or in a grid. I have selected in a grid. Now search for another action, save to photos. Once you have completed this shortcut, click on this eye icon given at the bottom middle and click on Done. Now the shortcut will appear in this page. Click on it. Select the options here. Click on the option Add to Home Screen. Now go ahead and select the symbol and the color for it and click on Add. It will appear in your home screen. Clicking on that, your Photos app will appear. Now you can go ahead and select multiple photos that you want to combine in this way. Then click on this tick icon given at the top right. Then launch your Photos app and check. The image will be combined. You can see that. Let's give it a try again. Click on the shortcut. Now select the photos that you want to combine. Once you have selected, click on the stick icon given at the top right. Now you can close this and check your Photos app. The result will be over there. So this way you can easily combine photos on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.